Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another live stream. A red day. It is what it is. There is fear. I can feel it and I love it. There's people commenting on my TikTok videos saying that 68,000 was the top for the cycle, and I love it. I love it. So, anyway, good morning, everybody. I'm not going to name everybody again, but good morning or afternoon. Good afternoon for me. Why is SHIBA pumping? Because it happens. I hate it, but it happens. I own some. It's pumping. Oh my goodness. What's my opinion on SHIB going up? What's my opinion on all these questions about SHIB? That means that we're close to a top, a local top, in my opinion. Should we buy the dip? I did. So hopes to dip more and the whale sell it, send it to the stratosphere. There's too much. There was too much greed. You know, watch my Twitter account. Anyway, hello. Oh my goodness, this is already going crazy. This Halloween is scary. I still think we're closing the month at $63,000. So glad about SHIBA. I only wish I bought more. Yeah. I mean, listen, just because I called something trash does not mean I don't own it. I own SHIBA. And I got some for free from Voyager a couple months ago. So would SHIBA be the first to go down with Bitcoin? No. Bitcoin will pump, and it's going to be one of the first to peak. And let's see, do I have 8 or 9 figures of SHIB? I think I have 8. I sold a third of my SHIB yesterday. No regrets. None at all. All right, throw another 20K on Litecoin today? Sure, yeah. I bet people will long again, and there will be another flush, not financial advice. You know what? Maybe we have one more flush left in us this month. Yeah. But I tweeted, let me pull up my Twitter account. This is my general opinion. This was when Bitcoin was at 58,400 today. Let's see here. This price action is due to leverage traders getting liquidated, nothing else. I said to be all in by the end of the month, not financial advice. This is the moment to do it. The downside, there isn't much more downside. Yeah, no regrets. Nothing wrong with taking profits. I just don't see much more downside. I mean, sure, we could go to 57, 56, whatever. I just don't see that much more downside, but there's plenty of upside. So yeah, still 1,500 for Litecoin. Let's see. What did I miss here? Throw another 20K on Litecoin if you want. Yeah. Where do you see Bitcoin and alts end of the week? Again, yeah. All right. November 1st is Monday. I think we're going to close at $63,000 for Bitcoin. That's really all that matters. Alts, if Bitcoin's at 63,000, yeah, alts will be higher. So anyway, holding SHIB till it's $1.75. So after you're dead, 57, 56. Yeah. What's up, CVOS? See y'all in the year 3021. There we go. Yeah. Thoughts on VRA prediction? Higher? I don't have a dollar amount though. Feeling better than yesterday. I'm still a little under the weather, but I do feel better. Still think alt season may be turfed. You know, I went live with CVO Crypto. I posted that live stream on YouTube, and he made me more confident that alt season is gonna happen. So I agree with the 63K too. We still have a few days. Oh yeah, and sentiment can change on a dime. Things will change on a dime. Litecoin and ETH price this cycle: 15,000 for ETH, 1,500 for Litecoin. ADA $8. Would you sell a new launched coin that's 5x in a month for something a bit more established? Yes, I would. Yeah. Vet predictions. 50 cents. Saw your tweet. Are you still invested in SHIB more? I sold a third of my SHIB yesterday. No regrets. Do I know anything about LCX Lattice? I don't. Nope. Honestly, I've been waiting for you to go live since the crazy dip. Well, here I am. Zero fear in my mind right now. What alt or metaverse did you bag in KuCoin? You know what? I say not to do it. Do as I say, not as I do. I just leveraged. I went long on Bitcoin. That's it. 5x. 5x isn't that bad. 100x is stupid. So SHIB low during bear. Oh man, lower than where it is now. It's just going to flatline. Whatever it does, it's going to flatline. Which means I will buy a lot of SHIB because it's going to be very predictable, and I'm going to buy it sometime in 2024. Hypothetically, how low should Bitcoin go before you start worrying? If it's at this price, if it's in the mid 50s by the end of the month, I'll be a little bit nervous. Not that the bull run is over, but that we're not going to peak in December. Just an extended cycle. That's all. So, Matic $8, Pancake $100. Just got another opportunity to eat more and get fat. Yes, sir. I hope the dip stays or dips more at least. I get paid on Friday. Man, I'm sorry. I can't join you in that hope, but best of luck to you. Okay, I'm going to go live on TikTok. So let me get set up here. I'm going to do it the getaway like I always do. Now's a good time to buy alt since everything's down. Yeah, I agree. All right, here we go. Time to get overwhelmed like I always do on TikTok because the chat is overwhelming, and even this YouTube chat's getting a little overwhelming, but I am willing to bear that on YouTube. So, oh my goodness, come on. Yeah, I'm still a little stuffy. All right, here we go. ACH. Don't know enough. If there's a Bitcoin dip at 100K, will Litecoin dip also? Yes. Telcoin, I don't think Telcoin's going to $1, but I'm bullish. In the video with CBO, he talked about Litecoin and Link and one other coin he's waiting to break out because it has been kind of a dorm. Do you remember which one it was? Probably EOS. What's up, Ant? CKB, I don't know anything about CKB. I think it was EOS. I hope you will be more active during the bull market so we know what and when you're going to sell. I'm following you. Thank you, Lucci. It's going to be difficult. It's going to be difficult for me to be as active. Like if things peak in December, that's fourth quarter for my business. I'm going to try as hard as I can. So thank you, Adriana. I'm feeling a little better. Should I take profits on SHIBA right now? I would say take some profits. Yeah. Thank you, Ostruval. Matic and Link prediction. Matic $8, Link $100. Are we done dipping? I think I'm gonna say there. I mean, I'm never gonna say 100%. I think we are very close to the bottom. So for this month, and I mean until the bear market. So stellar breakout eventually. November's gonna be a great month for alts. Feeling better a little bit. Ant NH. Favorite altcoins for this season? Litecoin. Thank you, Eric. Quant prediction, I don't have one. 4 figures, it seems like it would do that. Can HBAR and Algorand 10x this bull run? They can. And prediction still 50. Yeah, still 50. Just joined, so I'm sure it's been discussed, but what are your thoughts on the dip? Expect rebound? I expect a rebound. I expect us to close this month at $63,000, a little bit above that. What do you think about Trias? Don't know enough. I saw that it's been pumping lately, so don't chase a green candle. HBAR, good goodbye, yes. Lossless, I'd still say stay away. It pumped like crazy last week. Stay away for now. So 1-inch prediction, I don't have one, but very bullish. Happy a good buy. I know that Crypto Weatherman was talking about that last week. I wouldn't be surprised if it already pumped. So have you had TikTok problems with the TikTok algorithm getting banned? Yeah, I got banned once, and I've gotten videos removed. And I don't think you can message me anymore on TikTok because I got banned once. What's up, Rich Leap? Shout out to SHIBA coin for making me a lot of money. Yeah. FTM's on the move. Okay. Oh yeah. Let me see. I don't see it. Yeah. All right. It's light red. Braves game. What about it? Matic or Amp? Matic. Matic's a more likely, they're both going to pump, but Matic's safer. Yeah. I'm still confident on $200,000 Bitcoin. Was there any news as to why there was a drastic drop? No, just people being greedy, liquidations, leverage longs getting liquidated. Still no confidence in SHIB. All right, let me answer that. That's not the right question to ask. I do not like Shiba Inu. I think it's trash. I don't think that there's anything aside from the hype that is making it the 10th biggest crypto in the world right now. I own some. I took some profits yesterday. I did what you're supposed to do, and I will take more profits as it goes higher. I think that it will still go higher, but I still think it's trash. So ZIL to $1.50, something like that. Do you think that there will be alts that peak higher in November than in January? No, I really don't. Yeah, take your money and run. Hedera is not pulling its weight. Just wait. November is going to be a great month for alts. Litecoin was doing so good last night. Yeah, and then everything dumped. It'll come back. What's up, Trump Rule 67? FTM prediction, I don't have one. Oh, Cat Girl, please leave me. Please stop with Cat Girl. Just stop. I don't even want to look into Cat Girl at all. No Cat Girl token. I'm not holding Cat Girl. Man, thoughts on Bitcoin Taproot? It's been active for a few months now. I mean, good. How is SHIB market cap so high? It's just hype. It's hype. SHIB is a foretaste for what's coming next few months. So do you think XRP will pump in November or maybe January? January, 14,000 pounds into ETH or Matic. Short-term Matic, long-term ETH. I think SHIB is just trapped too. Should I jump? Do not jump on the SHIB rocket. No, it's too late. I'm sorry. It's too late to jump in on SHIB. I mean, all right, will SHIB lose a zero? Yes. But they're just other cryptos. When you see a crypto pump like crazy like that, get into the ones before they pump. I mean, I know which ones are, before they pump. It's just, this is how you're going to lose a lot of money. This is how you're going to lose a lot of money when things go crazy. You're going to buy the things that pump, but not the things that are about to pump. And so, hey, Alex, any thoughts on Cello? Sorry, I don't know enough about Cello. When the bear market hits and hits hard, will a lot of the YouTube, TikTok influencers fall off bad? I don't know. I mean, my videos won't get as many views, that's for sure. And my live streams will have like 50 people in them, but I'll still be pumping. What's up, Smiles? Sold all my SHIB yesterday. Should have waited today. I mean, I wouldn't have sold all of it. I sold a third of mine. So let's see. Will Riot stock pump in November? Good for calls. I would rather do the Marathon miner stock than Riot. Riot's not correlating very well, but Marathon is. Is it a bad time to buy SHIB now? I would say now is not a good time to buy SHIB. What price to dump SHIB? You've got to listen. I sold a third of mine yesterday. That's how you've got to do it. Don't sell all of it. You don't need to sell all of it. Just sell some of it. So, missed out on SHIB, feeling lots of FOMO. Don't. Oh my goodness, please no. What would you put 10K into right now for the most gains? Those questions are really difficult. I think lots. I think the top 20s are going to pump first in November. So lossless, sell or buy. Last week I would have said sell. This week I say hold. In a few weeks I would say buy. Matic prediction in January compared to ETH predictions. I think ETH has about a 4x in it, and Matic has more like a 6. No, more like a 5x. The Brave Games comment was about a question I asked. If I sell an ETH to go to a World Series game in Atlanta, will I be kicking myself in a few months? I think you will, Rodney. Yeah. With the discounted prices at the moment, which coin do you see as the most bargain right now? Cardano under $2 is very intriguing to me. What's up, Del Cassie? I'm doing well. Yeah, but Cardano under $2, I didn't think it was going to go under $2. And now that it is, I'm kind of interested. So BTCM has been trash. Yes, it has. Sister Beauty. It's been rough. And I have some calls in BTCM. Yeah, I said Zilda $1.50. Been holding SHIB since June, 720% gains. Yeah, same deal. Hit the dips this morning with a few week marathon call. Excellent. Bought Litecoin today. I'm surprised at how much attitude for dips changed from fear to opportunity. That's the right attitude. Is it concerning that we're below 60,000? I'm not concerned. I'll be concerned. Like if we just hang out in the 50s until the end of the month, I'll be a little concerned. But right now, no, I'm not concerned. Do I do leverage trading? You know what? I made a video last week not to do leverage. I think 5x is fine. I did do some 5x recently, and 5x, it's like, you get liquidated at a 20% drop. I just don't think Bitcoin's going to drop 20% this month or from when I entered. So ADA, keep or sell? I would say keep, and I would add to that stack. You think SafeMoon will do something similar to SHIB? Maybe at the end. I'm still waiting. So SafeMoon's waking up a little bit, So maybe. Will 1 inch pump any more massively in this bull run, or was this its pump? It'll pump more massively. Yeah. What potential does Phantom have? There's a lot of hype, a lot of marketing, so it has potential to go higher. But I think HBAR over the next 10 years is going to outperform it. What do you see SHIBA going to on November 1st? Lower than where it is now. But I think it'll have one last pump at the end. Planning to take my profits from VET and put it into VXV before it pumps. Is that a good idea? Yeah, it's always good to take some profits, put it into something else. I think VXV can pump soon. I would actually wait until maybe after the first week of November. Thank you for those gifts, Mr. Furby Wervjeb. Thoughts on Star Launch presale? I don't know. This dude is wrong about SHIB. Maybe I am. Let's see. Thoughts on Quant? Very bullish on Quant long term. I don't know how much more it has in it in this bull run. So, man, you guys are killing me about SHIBA, man. I've been talking about SHIBA like every other comment. SHIBA's trash. I own some. I took profits yesterday. I don't regret that. You should be taking profits if you're up. If you're trying to get in, now's not a good time to get in. You will buy at the worst time. For those of you wondering, oh, should I buy SHIB? SHIB is not going to a cent. That's a $4 trillion market cap. It's not happening. All right, Darius, you're here. So Cardano's a good buy today, you think? Yeah, I think so. Under $2, Cardano's a great buy. I bought SHIB back in September, the day it was added to Coinbase Pro, but there was a problem with the app the day they sold me the coin for almost the price that it is. Oh, man, that's awful. How am I feeling today? I'm a little... Yeah, no, I saw your comment. SHIB is trash. I own some. Exactly. That's exactly right. I made a tweet earlier today. The thing that makes me feel better, like makes me not completely irrationally lose my mind when meme coins pump, is that the fact that I will have owned some, and so good quick flipper. I'm not the man for you. Sorry. I'm right about SHIB. Did the same thing. Get out of SHIB. Yeah. See, you guys are making the same mistake. You're making the same mistake that you always make every time. You guys make this same mistake. You think because SHIB is pumping like crazy now that you've got to get in. And it's like dumb money. That is what dumb money does. I mean, could SHIB pump higher? Sure, it can. But it's like when you guys are talking so much about Shiba Inu, that is a sign to me, all right, I'm taking profits. So thank you. Thank you for staying dumb like you always do. You know, come to the big boy table when you're ready. I love you. When will Quant pump? November. A lot of cryptos are going to pump right now. Yeah. Beginner 1K, where to go with? Ethereum and Litecoin. Yeah, take your profits, invest in something better. I'm mad and I love you, okay? This is how I interact with my kids. I love them like crazy. And when I get mad at them, it's like they know that I'm mad, or they know that I love them. Sorry. So much love to you all. Much love to you all. Thank you all for being here in my life. And I know in 2 minutes from now, somebody's going to be like, bro, what about SHIB? Where to put profits? Top 20s, man. Top 20s are going to pump next month. So, amp dipping. Yeah, I mean, but next month, November, we've had our fun this month. And I've been saying mini crab market till the end of the month, and then November will pump. But then it's going to be alts. It's going to be, Bitcoin's going to pump. I think it's going to go to $100,000, and then alts will do well. Sorry, I'm way behind on everything, on TikTok, on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Buy SHIB in the bear market. I am planning on buying SHIB in the bear market. Bro, what about SHIB? There it is. Thank you. When SHIB is not hitting $1, you guys are killing me. That would make it worth more than all the assets in the world. It's not happening. Oh, you guys are killing me. XLM $2 to $3, and I love you still. Is it too late to buy SafeMoon? No, I don't think so. And SafeMoon's trash too, but I think now's a good time to get into SafeMoon. XLM $2 to $3, VXV $100. Please edit this and post it on TikTok. That's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea, Alexander. Oh, Alexander, that's how I spell my name. Love the I love you part at the end of the big boy talk. There we go. Yeah. What's a realistic expectation for SHIB? I mean, it's going to lose a zero. I think it's going to lose a zero by the end. So you're mad with us because you care about us. Exactly. I'm mad because I care about you. Hey, brother, appreciate your advice. I can't. Sorry, guys. This TikTok chat is going way too fast. I'm looking at it on my computer. And if you want to ask me a question, you've got to hop over to my YouTube. So you're welcome. Christian sold 3/4 of my SHIB last 2 weeks and bought Litecoin. I think you were a little too soon, Trump rules, but you know, you can't, guys, you cannot own any Shiba Inu at the end. You just can't. It's going to crash really hard at the end. I mean, a lot of cryptos are going to crash really hard, but particularly like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and SafeMoon, those are going to crash really hard. EOS bullish entry price. You know what? CVO Crypto says he thinks that they're going to pump, you know, well beyond their 2018 highs. So EOS, anything that hasn't passed its 2018 high, a lot of those, he thinks it's going to pump higher than that. So when do you think the crash will occur? I think Bitcoin's going to peak in December and major alts will peak in January. Or sorry, most alts will peak in January. So anyway, I see Shiba being the winner. I mean, today it is. There's no doubt about that. Yeah, 550 viewers. Litecoin at 1,500 if we have meme coin season. Yeah, I think so. You have a hate and love relationship with your followers. Very toxic. That's great. Yeah, Litecoin at $1,500. They said the same thing about Bitcoin. Guys, oh, man. Oh, how I patiently endure you guys. There's only 21 million Bitcoin in existence. There is 300 trillion. No, there's 400 trillion Shiba Inu in existence. 400 trillion, 21 million. You do the math. That's like 30,000 times more, 20,000 times more SHIB than Bitcoin. It's, all right, I love you. No, I'm going to stop telling you I love you. Man, I've been holding EOS for so long. Shiba says it will pump. What's your prediction? November. Alts in November. Dropped my 14 million Shiba this morning. Do you think it went too soon? Why drop all of it? You know? Why drop all of it? Yeah, you guys are killing World War Bitcoin. I mean, that's the thing. Like, I'm telling you, like, I don't like Shiba Inu, and it's pumping, and I own some, and I sold a third yesterday. What's with this mindset of having to buy all in and sell all out? All right, best buys today, top 20s, top 20 cryptos. Thank you, Dan Pena. VXV to $100, yes. What do you mean when you get liquidated if it drops 20%? What is it? Explain liquidated, please. That's leverage trading at 5x. So 5x leverage trading. Yeah, so many crypto people are all or nothing. Yeah. DCA in, DCA out. Yep. Dollar cost average your way in, dollar cost average your way out. Exactly. With the hold on ETH, do you think it will pump? Yeah, I think it will. Bought EOS today. Why I deleted a video saying SHIB goes to $5? I did not delete a video saying SHIB would go to $5. What? I never made a video saying SHIB would go to $5. Just no, it's not happening. SHIB to $2. Okay. Wow. I'm so far. I'm so behind. I'm going back down to the bottom of the YouTube chat. So I don't know much about Dent. Sorry. Thoughts on TrueFi? Don't know anything about TrueFi. But you are not counting the burning of coins. I hope that you're kidding on that. All right, Shiba Inu, they do burn coins, but they burn millions of coins. Millions of coins is like me taking a few molecules off my body. You know, it's just that's nothing. It would take 16,000 years to burn all the SHIB if you're going to burn millions of coins. ETH prediction at the top, $15,000. People who believe Earth is flat believe Shiba will go to $1. That's a great comment. Yeah. Yes. All right. Good time to get into Bitcoin miners. I think so. Yep. What do you think of ICP? I'm not a huge fan of ICP, the team, but ICP fundamentally is strong. And so ICP will do well over the years. Can you look at Dodo coin, please? No. When's the end? December, January, something like that. Hex, is Hex a scam? Not sure. Top 3 alts for the month of November to 4 to 5x. 4 to 5x in November. You're going to have to look at meme coins like Floki. Maybe Floki will 4 to 5x. Probably not. It's close to $1 billion market cap. But maybe, who knows? Maybe Floki's the next big meme coin to pump. So XRP can go at $8. Yeah, I think so. What's up with this burning SHIBA? They're going to pump up the price. They don't burn enough. I talked about that. Christian, it's a joke. Okay. How do you feel about the outlook over the next couple months? I'm very bullish over the next couple months. So top 20 coins. So buy SHIB now. Oh, except for SHIB. That's a good point, VFam. Not SHIB. Trias don't know enough. Hollow 10 to 20x in it. Thoughts on GTC? GTC. I'm not familiar. Will you be shorting Bitcoin or Bitcoin correlated stocks when you're bearish? I'm gonna short Bitcoin correlated stocks. Yes. Every time Alex says Shiba Inu, everyone take a shot. That's a great call. Yeah. Where can I purchase Floki? You might be able to get it on Pancake Swap. What's the currency you do not recommend? I'm not sure. I missed that. I don't recommend SHIB right now. As I'm talking to you guys, I'm looking at the price chart, and SHIB keeps going up, and it's like there's no way this is not sustainable. Of course, I'm kidding. Yeah. What's your November prediction for Bitcoin? 72 to 75K. Nope. I think Bitcoin is going to $100,000 in November. And then it's going to get rejected there, go down to like 80,000, maybe even lower than that, and then go higher, close in the 90s for November. Poodle, I haven't checked Poodle in a while. I know that it's flat. So Poodle is, it just depends. You know, if SafeMoon needs to lead the way for a lot of these meme coins. If SafeMoon does, then Poodle will do well. How low? Wow, you guys, even the YouTube chat is way too hot. How low do you think we go down before we start to moon? I don't think we're going to go down that much more. Can we go to 55K or under 55K? We could, Fan Nissan. My guess is no. Yeah, the more I talk about SHIB, the higher they go, yeah. Dent, no predictions. VeChain hitting $1 possible this year. It's possible. I mean, maybe not this year, but maybe in January. I'm thinking more like 50 cents. Dent, don't know enough. Lossless, I don't have a lossless prediction. You know, I still think that there's more upward momentum for lossless. I just, you can buy SafeMoon on Pancake Swap. I just haven't really tracked it all that much. So what would you class as a large cap coin? Just top 10, top 20, top 30, something like that. Love you, Alex, but why SHIB though? Why do I not like SHIB? I'm not sure what you're saying, Jerry. Price prediction for 1 inch in November, higher. Everything's, I think a large majority of cryptos are going to go higher in November. FTM, bullish on it. I like HBAR more. XYO 20 cents. GRT, I don't have a price prediction. CVO, my boy CVO Crypto says we're going to $20 to $25 with GRT. Gitcoin, don't know enough. 10K now. Litecoin, Ethereum. Floki, super high miner fees. Okay. I mean, I'm just looking at the, you know, it's probably the next biggest one that could pump. So you know much about Sun. I don't know about Sun, Carnormy. Omi is my homie. Okay. Peeps, nothing. What do you think about Mina protocol, hold or sell? In general, you should be holding right now. Not financial advice. Do you think the SHIB bubble will pop soon? Yes, but I think SHIB will go higher in January. You invested in any metaverse coins, Decentraland? I'm bullish. No price predictions though. So highest point for SHIB, and when do you think? Man, I think that SHIB's gonna dump pretty hard over the next week or so. Sometime in the next week. I mean, it just keeps on going up and up and up and up. This is typical sign of a mania phase for a cryptocurrency. At some point, you know, if it doesn't happen today, it's going to happen. But I still think that in January, it's also going to pump. I don't think it's going to be the end for SHIB. So have you heard of Astro Swap, Cardano? I haven't. Sorry, I'm just going back down to even the YouTube chat. You think Atom is the next Solana? No, but I'm bullish on Atom. I like Atom, but no, not the next Solana. Thoughts on VRA? Still goodbye? Yes. ETH still 15K? Yes. Do you want to buy 2 helium miners off of me? No, I don't. I'd rather buy it from the site. When does ADA pump? November, early, mid-November, something like that. Are you selling stuff in November to redistribute for alts in January? I don't know what I'm going to do as far as redistribution is concerned. I do plan on doing some redistribution. Not a ton, though. So your favorite research tool set / websites, glassnode.com is my favorite. And other than that, YouTube and Twitter, the blockchain backer on YouTube, Benjamin Cohen on YouTube, Will Clemente, Willy Woo on Twitter, some other ones. But yeah, how low do you think Bitcoin will dip? I think we're pretty close to the bottom. Is it possible to 10x 10K from anything from now to the end of October? No. I mean, sure, maybe something will 10x, but that's a week. I can't give you a 10x. No clue where to start. You've got to start with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Just start with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Do as much research as you can. So I'm probably, after this live stream, going to sell more of my SHIB. It's like, this is ridiculous. Thoughts on Fractal? No, sorry. Farm, don't know enough. CSPR, don't know enough. Any thoughts on Elrond price predictions? Tarquin? I don't have any predictions. I am bullish on Elrond. Their tokenomics are phenomenal. What's about NFTs? Are they going up? I think NFTs, we had crazy NFT season in September. I'm not going to say we're done for this run. There's going to be plenty of opportunities, but I'm going to pay a lot more attention to NFTs in the bear market, not right now. All right, let's see where we are right now. Sorry, I gotta check something out. Okay, come on. Top 5 to get in right now, not including Bitcoin, ETH, and Litecoin. I'd say VRA, Zilliqa, Telcoin. Man, I'm just gonna stop there. Chainlink still to $100 is my prediction. What do you think about Don't know enough. DNT. I still don't know enough. If you had $200 to put somewhere, where do you put it? Litecoin, Ethereum. Thanks for all your help, my bro Salvador. SVN in the houses. SV in the houses. Okay, excellent. AMP to 50 cents. VET to 50 cents. Link to $100. How much money will you buy for Doge and SHIBA in the bear market? I'm probably going to buy $50,000 worth of Doge in the bear market and probably $10,000 worth of SHIBA. So that'll be, at least at most 5% of my portfolio for Doge and 1% for SHIBA. It's just those are going to be very easy to make money off of in the bear market, like in the bear market in anticipation of the next bull run. So thanks for doing your channel. Appreciate you. Thank you. BNB price prediction, $1,500. Evergrow. I don't know anything about Evergrow. ETH price prediction for November. ETH price prediction for November. We're going to cross the all-time high, I think, and go to like 5 or 6K. Yeah, he says Crow and AMP both 50 cents. Yes. Amazon selling NFTs. That's interesting. SHIBA may lose a 0 today. It might. Yeah. As we're talking, SHIBA just keeps pumping. It's up to 0.000077. So yeah, I'm going to sell some as soon as I'm done with this live stream. And you're going to buy some, and sorry for you. Chainlink, end of your thoughts, end of cycle, $100. You think charity tokens like Elongate will start pumping? I'd keep my eyes on SafeMoon. That's what I would say, Joel. That's what I would say. I'm gonna sorry, I saw a comment about holders 772-221 on Etherscan. I'm gonna type that in and I'll look at that later for Shiba Inu. Man. Okay. All right. Some saying Litecoin going to 3K. Yeah, some are saying that. And I mean, whatever. Can Quant reach 10K in 2025? It's possible. I'm going to guess no, but it's possible. Thoughts on VET? Yeah, answered that. Will the live chat, what live chat is he using? That's a TikTok chat, but I'm also live on YouTube. So what do you think about Pi? I've given up on Pi, and maybe I'll regret that, but I'm just done. I've given up. I hope it's worth something one day so I can actually sell my Pi or transact with it or something like that. Bitcoin's hitting 57K. That's fine if it does. Let's see. What do you think about Lattice? Don't know anything about Lattice. Don't chase green candles. There we go. Oh my goodness. SHIB keeps going. BITO has been trash. I mean, it's just following Bitcoin, Sister Beauty. So it's one of those things. It is what it is. Okay, Adam Walsh, I'll check that out. All right. For those of you on TikTok, this is just overwhelming for me. Hop on over to YouTube. I'm going to keep the live stream going on YouTube in for another 20 minutes or so. So World War Bitcoin on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. But I'm done on TikTok in 10 seconds. All right. So hop on over to YouTube. And so maybe I'll actually be able to keep up with the YouTube chat. All right. Goodbye. Much love on TikTok. All right. ASM and Farm don't know enough. DAG, Constellation. Yeah, that's top of my list to research. I just don't know anything about DAG. How about Quant? Is it possible to hit 2K in January? It is possible. Yeah, and there's plenty of people who think that's going to happen. I'm more reserved about Quant because it's just pumped a ton. What coins in your portfolio you expect giving you the best returns this run? I mean, I'm sticking with Litecoin, man. I know I talk about Litecoin a lot. I'm sticking with it. But Holochain probably too. Is Quant a good buy right now? I think so, yeah. Is AMP dead? No. November is going to be a good month for AMP. Will FTM be the next Solana? No. Nope. Trust me, guys, HBAR is better than FTM, and it's the same thing. FTM just copied HBAR. So will XRP still have a run in January? Yes, I think so. XRP and Litecoin in November, higher for both. 250, 300 for Litecoin, maybe even higher than that. XRP, I think will go to above $2. So are you instead of NFTs? What will VET be around November, December? I mean, I think it's going to 50 cents. So, at the peak. So along the way to 50 cents. What's up, Brian? XYO 20 cents. ADA falling fast. I think ADA is a great buy right now. Man, SHIB, this is insane. This is reminding me of Dogecoin in like early April when it went up to 19 cents. It's wild. ICX or FTM. I don't know. I don't know what ICX is doing right now. And because of that, I'll just say FTM. If you had a free 10K, where would you put it today? Litecoin and Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink, Polkadot, Cardano. I'm very interested in Cardano right now. So you should look into TrueBit Protocol, low MC. I'm not looking into anything right now. No offense. I'm all in. I'm in. So let's see. Can you provide us your sources of research? Glassnode.com. Here we go. Glassnode.com. But then there's people on Twitter who I follow who you have to pay $800 for all of their data. There's some data that's free, but you have to pay $800 for their level 3 data a month. $800 a month. One day I will do that, not today. And then there's people on Twitter who use glassnode.com. William Clemente, Willy Woo, TXMC Trades, Les Moskovsky. I follow them all. You can see that. So why do you have so much confidence in Litecoin? Look at the Litecoin to Bitcoin chart. Watch my pinned video on TikTok. SHIBA will make crypto crash. It might. I'm not excited about this, guys. Look at this. Since we've started talking, I mean, since I started my live stream 30 minutes ago, Shiba Inu was at 0.000068. This is insane. This is not good. I know that you guys are excited about this. This is not good. Honestly, this is causing me to be more afraid than anything else that something bad is about to happen. I mean, I'm sticking with my guns for now. Sorry, I'm going to sell some SHIB right now. I'm sorry. I have to take care of this because I don't want to miss out on selling at the peak. And I don't want to be a bag holder. So bear with me for a second. I'm going to sell some SHIB. Son of a... And of course, yep. Good luck trying to sell some SHIB right now. Good luck to you guys. How high for Link in November? $50, $60, something like that. All right, I'm going to try again to sell my SHIB. ICP prediction, $200 to $300. Mother. Okay. All right, come on. All right, I'm going to sell a third of my SHIB if I can. Yeah, other people are panic selling too. Come on, let me sell my SHIB. All right, I sold it. Sorry, I'm sure I'm way behind on this chat now. Worth trading Solana to Litecoin. Oh man. Solana's awesome and Litecoin is not. Litecoin's a great short-term trade. It's hard for me to say that because I think Solana is going to be worth $4,000 next cycle. So it's just, I don't know. Are you invested in NFTs? And if thoughts on them? I have 2 NFTs. They haven't done well. NFTs have a future in the crypto sphere. I think that there's a lot of excess that needs to be removed from the NFT marketplace, but NFTs are legit. And I'm not touching them right now. I'm just not going to touch them right now. So are you selling any alts in November? Nope. Waiting to sell them in January, except for like just what I did just now, you know? Can LSS 10X? Yes. Parsec, don't know anything about Parsec. What do you like about Cardano? I'm not a huge Cardano fan. I just think Cardano under $2 is a steal. So why Litecoin? Yeah, watch my pinned TikTok video on Litecoin. Wow. Okay. I look a little nervous. Yeah, I am a little nervous. I'm nervous about SHIB doing what it's doing right now. I'm very nervous. I'm sticking to my guns though. I do think that we're going to continue to pump higher, but this sucks. Didn't know what I was missing not watching on YouTube? Yeah, Norberto, there we go. Welcome. Crypto crash coming, the big short, something like that. Okay. Why is it not good for noobs? You know, when smart money sees euphoria, smart money sees euphoria in the market, this is what they get scared. When everyday people like us are excited about something, the smart money gets scared. And so that happened when Dogecoin pumped earlier this year like crazy. I remember thinking like, ooh, that kind of euphoria is not good. So the same thing's happening right now. I can see whales dumping this very soon. Yeah. You know, that person who there was a whale, an Ethereum whale who bought $11 million worth of Shiba Inu earlier this week. They've already more than doubled their investment. So when of all you guys, crypto stock traders mention not financial advice, can you really get sued if you don't mention it? I don't know, Osterval. I'm just keeping, protecting myself. Everyone else does it, so I do it. It's a smart thing to do to sell those insane profits. Yeah. SHIBA might crash the market. I mean, let's see, guys. It's like, I still think Bitcoin's hitting $100,000 in November. And I'll feel a lot more confident about that if Bitcoin closes the month at $63,000 where stock to flow has it right now. So I do it no bag. So I'm sure I'm way behind on the YouTube chat. Just, man, SHIB's going crazy right now. And it's like, it's going crazy up and down. I think people are like, we'll see. I mean, maybe it's just going to continue to pump today. That kind of thing, I would expect there to be some volatility. There's just going to be volatility. And I think that there will be downward volatility, and upward volatility. And we'll decide, the market will decide. Convert some SHIB to Solana. I think that's a great idea. Yeah. Can we get your Twitter handle on your main followings again? Yeah, Twitter, WWBitcoin. Here I am. TikTok, World War Bitcoin. What else? We got Instagram, World War Bitcoin on Instagram, and that's very important to follow me on Instagram in case my TikTok ever gets shut down, which I could see that happening. Can XRP go under 9.9? Yes. Don't sell all your advice. Yeah, I wouldn't sell all. Use fibs. I do some Fibonacci retracements. I'm going to do more of a deep dive on that because that is a really key metric. So why do you think VXV is hitting $100? It's par for the course, given its market cap, given certain things about it that hype-wise that will cause it to do well. So Coinbase not letting me sell SHIB. Yeah, that happens. That's exactly why, if Coinbase is not letting you sell your Shiba Inu, that's exactly why you got to take profits regularly because trust me, guys, this is going to continue to happen throughout this run. So I'm up 3K in a few minutes. Excellent, Jose. Can Shiba crash the market? It could. I mean, I still don't think so. Let's see. Thoughts on XYO. You know what? I'm gonna entertain people for a second, and I'm gonna change the name of this live stream. I'm being totally sarcastic. Shiba Inu is melting faces. All right, I'm changing the name of the live stream to Shiba Inu is melting faces. Live stream! Exclamation, exclamation, exclamation. Okay, I have changed the name to Shiba Inu is melting faces. Live stream! Exclamation, exclamation, exclamation. Yeah, SHIB at 8,800. Now it's at 7,800. So just glad I'm still up on my crypto. Yeah, me too. I'm up. I'm happy. So let's see. Bitcoin to 55K, it could. Coinbase crashed, man. Yeah. Would whales dumping SHIB move profits to Bitcoin? Maybe Bitcoin, maybe something else. Yeah. When will VXV pump? I think a lot of cryptos will pump in November. A lot, especially the major alts. So exactly why I sold all my SHIB this morning. Are we selling SHIB? I've been saying sell some of your SHIB. Sell some of it. Not financial advice. I would sell some of it right now. I sold a third of it yesterday at 40, 0.000049, and I sold a little bit just now at 0.000084 or something like that. And I'm happy with that. I still have 16 million SHIB in my wallet, and I'm okay with that. That's fine. So can AMP still 10x? I believe so. Would whales dumping, or answered that, Coinbase is out. Of course it is. Of course it did. Big whale in SHIB just now. I'm not familiar, but okay. Yeah, SHIB's crashing exchanges. Coinbase can't handle this. That's par for the course with Coinbase. 500 into XRP, HBAR, or Litecoin. I'd say Litecoin. Just glad I'm still up on my crypto. Where would you put 2K right now, looking at the next couple of days? I think it's going to be a mini crab market, Corey. I mean, for November, look in the top 20. Other than Shiba Inu, look in the top 20 for November and find a project that you like and put it in there. I would recommend Litecoin and Ethereum. So, wow, I'm so far behind. Okay. Let's see. Can't sell any SHIB on Coinbase, man. Alex, that's an issue we may want to talk about. When something is in the process of dumping quick, it's almost impossible to sell when you want to because of the volume of selling. Yeah, so, man, I'm not sure which crypto you're talking about in particular. If you're talking about Shiba Inu, which is not necessarily, it's not dumping right now, but it's just one of those things I'm going to constantly preach to take profits often, and we are seeing a perfect example about why you don't want to wait until the very top, which this may have been the very top for Shiba Inu. I don't think so. I think it will go higher in January, but this is why you take profits often. This is a very valuable lesson for those of you who are new to this. It's not surprising to me at all that Coinbase is struggling right now. They need better software. I mean, do they? I mean, what's his name? Armstrong. He's now a billionaire. Does he really care all that much? I mean, I'm sure he does. He wants to be more of a billionaire. So thank God Voyager doesn't crash during this. Voyager has crashed before, and it could crash again. I thought I sold my SHIB on Voyager, and I thought, maybe that it would crash, but it didn't. So how low do you think Solana and Avalanche prices will go in the bear market? Lower than where they are now. I could see Solana in the lower 100s, Avalanche, $40 or so, something like that. It's number 9 for top market cap. When it crashes, it's going to put a sour taste in a lot of people's mouths about crypto. Yeah, it could happen. Man, SHIB is so volatile right now. Look at it. It was, more than 10% higher a few minutes ago, and maybe it'll go back up to the 80s. But clearly, around that time when I sold, that was the time when people were thinking, okay, this is ridiculous. I've got to sell some of it. Tell price prediction, not $1, 20, 30 cents. I mean, I know that's a lot from where it is now. So yeah, Voyager's crashed on me at crucial times before. Yep. There it goes down. What the heck is going on? Man, SHIB's going crazy, but it's going crazy up. And then now it's we'll see. SHIB was at 0.000068 when I started my live stream. It got up to 0.000088, and now it's at 0.000076. So where would you, answer that, Corey? LOL. Portfolio climbing, can't sell. No, you've got to sell when your portfolio is climbing. Oh, man. Bitcoin Cash prediction. I don't think it's going to its 2018 high. So let's see Bitcoin Cash. Oh man, it's not going to let me see Bitcoin Cash. Let me see Bitcoin Cash. You still think ZIL to $1.50? Yes. I'm so mad about SHIB. I try to stay in good projects now. That's exactly how I feel about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu to the moon. That's my Pablo impression. Let's see. Coinbase app is clunky. Yeah. Thank you, Corey. I'm the GOAT. I know I'm reading a comment that's several minutes old, but let's see. Do you recommend something other than Coinbase? A lot of them are gonna have a hard time when things go crazy. So, yeah, sure. Voyager. I like Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. SHIB's gonna flip a 0. Ross, that's hilarious. I'm reading your comment now, and I just said Shiba Inu to the moon. All right, somewhere right now, Pablo is sitting with his pants down, holding Shiba Inu, watching it go up. Yeah, okay. Sorry, I'm going back down to the bottom of the YouTube chat. I will try to keep up as much as I can. Whole market is crashing. I'd personally kill the buy button on SHIB. Put 10K into ADA, Matic, or ETH end of January. End of January? Definitely Ethereum. But I would just not buy anything at the end of January if things peak in January. HBAR end of year, $2 in January, in my opinion. Best coin for 10x. You're going to have to look outside of the top 30. I'd say something like Holochain. 10K into ADA, Matic, or ETH. Yeah, I answered that. All good. You're still good. Thank you, Corey. Wish Voyager would let me put that high limit sell orders in place. Yeah, that would be nice. Why do you think Bitcoin Cash isn't going up? It will, but Bitcoin Cash is not where it's at. We've already, it has, look at all time here, the all time chart. I mean, look at this all time chart. I didn't even know. Oh, that's December of 2017. I mean, I don't think it's going to go to its 2017 price. That would be a 6x from here. It's just, it has demonstrated in its price action that it is not. It's not a good crypto to buy. It's trash. GRT prediction, I don't have one. Sorry. Higher. TRX. I'm not a huge fan of Tron. I do not like Justin Sun. He rug pulled Tron really hard at the worst possible time, and it made his billions and left people in dust. They copied their white paper from someone. I don't remember who, but Tron's going to go up. It's going to go up in value. Are you selling any alts in November? I'm not. I'm going to wait till January. Aave, 4 figures. Aave, don't have one. Holo, 10 to 20x. KuCoin, Binance, Coinbase is garbage. Yeah, KuCoin, Binance. All right, here comes SHIB again, 0.000082. You influenced the whole market by saying you were selling. That's funny. You know, I made a video when Dogecoin, that week that Elon Musk went on SNL, I made a video that had 300,000 views saying, if you buy Dogecoin, you're an idiot. And people told me later on that they didn't buy Dogecoin because they saw that video. And so I honestly, I hate to, it's crazy for me to say this. I don't think I've influenced the market. There's 158 people on this live stream right now or something like that. I don't think I influenced the market with SHIB by selling my SHIB at 0.000084 or whatever I sold it at. But Dogecoin, I honestly do think that I influenced the market on Dogecoin a little bit, not a ton. VThor, I like VeChain, so I like VThor, but I don't have any predictions for that. Will Bitcoin still close the month above $63,000? I remember you saying it was critical. Is it critical? Critical might be too strong of a word. I do believe that Bitcoin will close this month above $63,000. And it's a psychological level given stock to flow plan B, what he says for the floor price. But I still don't know if he says, when he says $63,000, if he means the end of the month closing price, or does he mean that it has to hit 63,000 at some point in that month? I just don't know the answer to that question. So what's up, Alex? Thank you, Mitchell. I am feeling better. Yeah. What kind of returns should we be aiming for as crypto traders? Who do you establish these points? How do you establish these points? I'm not as detailed in that regard that I would say you've got to expect this X return by this time. I just have an attitude of take profits, you know. I kind of have a rule, an unwritten rule, that if I see something 3X, then I will take I'll take my initial investment out. And then for the rest, it's like, when do I think the bull run is going to end? I think Bitcoin's going to peak in December, and I think the alts are going to peak in January for the most part. And so I'll operate off of that knowledge, but I'll adjust my opinion at any time. Do you think XRP could miss its run if the lawsuit didn't finish? It would obviously be more bullish for XRP if the lawsuit finished, but it'll still run. Bitcoin crashing? No. I've watched your videos on Litecoin, but I still don't 100% why you think it will outperform other cryptos. It's going to outperform Bitcoin. That's really all I care about. I don't know what to say. Yupa mush. I just don't know what to say. You watch my videos. Okay. There's something I retweeted on August 3rd. I'd recommend checking that out on my Twitter account. Missed my chance to sell SHIBA at the top. You can still try to sell it now. It's still pretty high. Tried to sell half my SHIB and the order went through twice, so now I'm all out. Oh no. Oh man. K-Law. I mean, you know, maybe it'll go down and maybe you just buy back in if you want. Just buy back. Yeah, there we go. You and CVO, my faves. Thank you. Will you say us when you do buy SHIBA in Doge and in Bear? Yes, I will, Fan Nissan, and I'm still working on my my course. So be on the lookout for my bear market buying guide in a few weeks. Thoughts on holding 3x leverage tokens like BT3, C3L rather than just Bitcoin through the rest of the bull run? Nathan, I don't recommend that at all. And it's not because I'm opposed to leverage trading. I'm not super excited about leverage trading, but those coins in particular, what happens, and I've experienced this myself, is that when they go up, when Bitcoin goes up, those coins will go up pretty well. But when Bitcoin goes down, those coins go down much faster, much more aggressively, to the point where it honestly, if you were to hold Bitcoin, regular Bitcoin, between now and the end of the bull run, I think your regular Bitcoin will outperform your Bitcoin 3 long, honestly. Coinbase has SHIB at 67. Yikes. All right, let me look up Shiba Inu real quick. Maybe on CoinMarketCap or something like that. All right, it's at 78. I don't know why Coinbase would have it at 67. That's weird. Are you going to go live every day? Yeah. Want to pay in PayPal for your course? Maybe. We'll see. I don't know how it works on this website that I did it on, that I signed up for. Would you put your final October money into Bitcoin or ETH today? Probably ETH. How much will your course be? $27. Can you make us pay you in the crypto for your course? I would love that. I don't know if the site allows it. I did it. So here's my favorite YouTube guy. There's some things that I would take with a grain of salt, some things that he says, but he blockchain backer, exit plan for cryptocurrency. So he has an exit plan. I would not recommend following his exit plan, honestly, but everything else, he's great. He's great with Fibonacci retracement levels, but whatever site this is that he did it, teachable.com, that's what I signed up for. So you can see this is what my course is going to look like, just many videos, many different videos. I'll probably have more videos than he does at the end, but he charges $39 exit plan strategy. Maybe look into that. The thing is, I am absolutely convinced that he's wrong about his peak price for Bitcoin. He thinks it's peaking at like 72K. And we'll see in November. We'll see early November that he's wrong about that. So DeWitt sold. Excellent. 7 on Coinbase. Man, let's see if I can look up Coinbase. Maybe I could give An error has occurred. Oh, Coinbase. Get off of Coinbase, guys. Some of those crypto night dudes are smart, but kind of full of themselves. No comment. No comment. I like all of those guys, even, especially, well, not especially or even, but Crypto Mason, who's no longer a Crypto Night guy. I like Crypto Mason too. They're all friends of mine. I mean, on their TikTok friends, we follow each other. So that's the same error I got. Yeah. Will your course have content relevant for Canadians or just Americans? Oh, yeah, definitely for anyone, not just Canadians. It's going to be like, basically, I'm going to lay out the case for why you should buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, meme coins, Solana, XRP, why you should, Litecoin, really any top 20 crypto, I'll cover it. I've made 6 videos so far. I'm trying to get up to 25 before launching the course. And I'm laying out a case for why you should buy those cryptos at a specific time in the bear market. So it doesn't matter, if you are a Canadian or Mexican or Polish or German or Netherlandese. I know that's not how you say net from the Netherlands. So what's the website for Voyager Exchange? It's an app. The Voyager app. Voyager's having issues. I mean, it's on my phone right now and it's working for me. What should we use? I mean, I like Voyager, but some people are saying that there's issues on Voyager. Us New Yorkers got no choice but Coinbase or Robinhood. KuCoin. You do KuCoin. You don't need to do KYC on KuCoin. Let's see, 0.0078. Yep. Coinbase won't let you buy or sell. That stinks. Coinbase, come on now. Got a message from CVO on Telegram. Oh, oops. I am not live with CVO Crypto right now. That's what it said on my TikTok. Give me 1 second, everybody. Safe Mars is up. What was I looking here for? Oh, yeah, I got it. All right, let's see. Is it a one-time $27? Yes, Mitchell. Yes, it is. What about FTX Pro? Do you recommend having an account there? I don't use it, but what's his name? Friedman. I like him. I think that they're doing good things, so I wouldn't be opposed to it. I just sold on Coinbase. Hey, all right, Brian sold on Coinbase. Binance has never gave me issues when trying to pull out, just letting everyone know who says they have a problem with Coinbase, etc. Good call. What about the apps you use to trade? KuCoin. Netherlandese use Dutch. Yeah, I was blanking there for a second, so sorry for my Dutch bros and sisses. So Coinbase works on my phone. Okay, there we go. What's up, Smoke Sun? All good? Yeah, I'm all good. I hope you're all good. So let's see. There's 2 XRP, XRP USDT, and XRP BTC. Which one are you talking about? XRP USD, maybe not even USDT. I'm Josue. Sorry, give me a second there. Always priced in USD. I don't even know. I mean, how could you buy XRP BTC on KuCoin or something like that, So just regular XRP. Ranked number 7. Interesting. Thank you, Mitchell. Coinbase and SHIB will make Bitcoin dump. I'm not ready to agree with you yet. DOT or Cardano for the next month? I would say Cardano. And again, the thing I've been saying on this entire live stream is just Cardano under $2 is such a steal. Oh man, I did not think Cardano was going under $2. Listen, I'm not a Cardano fan per se. It's not a top 10 crypto for me, but Cardano under $2, it's like, yes. KuCoin doesn't have a US option. I'm in the US and I use KuCoin. You just don't sign up for it. You don't you don't give them your information, you can still trade on it by transferring other crypto from another platform onto KuCoin and then using that. Voyager just crashed. Oh, man. The hour chart on Coinbase is ridiculous. It's mounted between 65 and 80 or 7 or 8 times in 20 minutes. Coinbase, man. Yep. I'm not surprised. How high do you think ADA can go? I think $8. Where can you buy Cardano? You can buy it on Voyager. You can buy it on most platforms. Coinbase, Voyager. Where else? I mean, Trust Wallet. You could buy it on Crypto.com. I think you can buy it on Crypto.com. Yeah, most places. So, well, what's going to happen with SHIB, ladies and gentlemen? What is going to happen with SHIB? SHIB to the moon. It seems like it's kind of settled out. I'm going to look up on coinmarketcap.com. Any of them, he has a link to Voyager somewhere. Yeah, I have a link to Voyager in the description of most of my videos. So crypto.com. No, what am I thinking? Oh, yeah, coinmarketcap.com. Shiba Inu. Here we go. Shiba Inu, coinmarketcap.com. 0.000082. We good? Okay. I want to see today. Maybe TradingView would have a better chart. Yeah, look at that. I mean, that is a sharp rise. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens. I mean, that looks like a very distinctive peak. And then, you know, a mini relief rally there. Are we going down now? All right, 0.007864. I mean, I may end up looking like a genius for selling at over 0.00008. But I felt that way yesterday too when I sold at 0.00005. So let's see. Is Litecoin's peak going to be short like small cap alts? It's not going to be as short as small cap alts, but it's going to be a quick one, you know. And again, my boy BitBoy. I was about to say BitBoy Crypto. He's not my boy. He's a beta male who is very insecure with himself. CVO Crypto. Yeah, that was quick. It peaked on the same day as Bitcoin last time around. So that was quick, man, you know. 1221, 1217. All right, look, 1217, 358.34, 1221, 264.93. That's not awful. You have time, but it's going to be something similar, same as last time in May. Same deal. So we'll see. What do you think about EOS? So that's a big one that I've been saying. You know, CVO Crypto, again, I'm talking about him again. He is convinced. I would say he's convinced that EOS will pass its 2018 high. I'm skeptical of all these cryptos that have not yet passed their 2018 highs, except for Litecoin. But man, that peaked in April of 2018. It hasn't gotten close to that. It's nowhere close to that right now. He thinks it's going to pass it. If it doesn't, I think it will die in the upcoming bear market. So, at what price would you buy SHIBA again? I'm not going to. Not right now. I'm going to buy it in the bear market. I'm not buying Shiba Inu. After I sell, I'm out. So, yeah, I think it'll go higher in January, but if we're crashing right now, what's going to happen in December, January? One of two things. I mean, I don't think we're crashing right now, and it actually makes me a lot more confident that, you know, people are afraid. I love your fear, please. I soak it in with all of my juju forces and everything like that. I don't think your fear is the opposite. It's like the general fear of the general people. I saw people on my TikTok saying that 68,000 was the top for the cycle. And I'm like, yes, give me that. Okay. But if we've topped, there's two things that could happen. We have an extended cycle, which means we peak at another time. We peak in May of 2022, something like that. Or we're just done. You know, we're going down to $30,000. You know, we've never crossed We've never had a weekly close below the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level from the previous cycle peak. That's right around $30,000. I don't think we would go below $30,000. Hopefully that won't happen though. Hopefully we're going to go higher in November and December. So quick means just a day or two. Yeah. Thank you, Toby Seymour. Most underrated creator. Only reason you don't have as big a following as others because you don't shout crazy crypto price predictions and call for a bull or bear every day. And, you know, time in the space too, Toby. But yeah, I'm always going to be honest with you guys. And hey, you know, Bitcoin, it's moving up a little bit. So that's good. But you know, some people do think my predictions are crazy and we'll see. But I'm not as crazy as other people. That's for sure. How high do you think SHIBA can go in January? All right. So I thought SHIB would have like a 3x in it when it got up to 0.00003. We're losing a zero. I think if SHIBA peaks in January, that we're going to certainly lose a zero. I cannot see us hitting 1/10 of a cent. Again, market cap. Think market cap. That's a $400 billion market cap. That's about where Ethereum's market cap is now. That just seems very unlikely to me that we would hit 1/10 of a cent. So maybe 2/100 of a cent, maybe 3/100 of a cent. That's still, I mean, that's 3/100 of a cent is a $100+ billion market cap for Shiba Inu. It's just that's crazy. Is all this Shiba talk starting to annoy you? I don't know, Josue. I'm kind of getting comfortable with it. I mean, I changed my live stream name. Will you be going live during December, January, letting us know when you're selling? I'm going to try as hard as I can. Yeah, definitely January. December, fourth quarter for my business is all hands on deck. Unfortunately, you know, I'm semi-retired, but November and early December for my business, I have to work much more than I do now. I work like 15 hours a week on my business. I could work more, but I choose not to. I choose to do this. But I'll have to put in about 40 hours every week for my business. And so everything else, I could do another 20 hours or so doing this. It's just going to be difficult. Talking about the exchanges crashing. Okay, sorry, Stonks Bra. Set stop limit sell orders to avoid exchanges locking during volatility. I don't know, Brian. I don't know if I would recommend that, because what kind of a stop loss are you going to do? Or you're not talking about stop losses. I don't know. I'm not going to do that. What's the bear market mean? Just when things are down, when crypto's down. So thanks, Toby Seymour. Yeah, thank you, Toby Seymour. If they continue burning SHIB, is half a penny a possibility? I've talked about this before. They don't burn enough SHIB. They just don't. You know, all right, let's talk about trillions. There's 400 trillion Shiba Inu in existence right now. According to coin360.com, I don't know if this is accurate, 394 trillion SHIB in existence. They burn something like, I've already done the math. They burn like 10 million SHIB every few minutes, which sounds like a lot, but it would take 16,000 years to burn all of the SHIB in existence if they were able to burn that much SHIB. That is not aggressive enough. You know, SafeMoon, as much as I hate SafeMoon, they have a much better burning mechanism, which is 5% of every transaction gets burned. And so that's something that's possible to burn often, you know, at good rates, but not SHIB, no. You know, for it to get to a penny, for it to burn, I mean, what kind of, all right, a penny, $5 trillion market cap. I mean, maybe I'll entertain you for a second. Maybe next bull run, it'll get to a $1 trillion market cap. That sounds crazy to me. But let's just say Shiba Inu gets to a $1 trillion market cap. That would mean like of their supply, maybe 1%, probably not even 1% of their supply will have been burned. It's not even a significant amount of their supply will have been burned by that you don't even need to consider that as a thing. So for it to hit a $1 trillion market cap, that's still 0.2 of a penny. I can't see it. A $1 trillion market cap. I mean, Facebook just hit a $1 trillion market cap. You want to talk about the bubble of bubbles? That is a bubble. for Shiba Inu. Voyager and Coinbase crashed, aka maintenance. Yep. One step past fear is the most exciting time of your life. Yes, there we go. Thank you, Kellyanne. Feel better. John, thank you. What business do I own? A grocery distribution business. Christmas, even with groceries, Christmas is crazy. What do you think about Polygon for November and January? Yeah, I think that Polygon's going to pump in November and January. So let's see, Polygon. I know it's somewhere around here. There we go, Matic. $1.77 right now. I probably should have just kept it there. Oh, trading view chart. Let's do a trading view chart. Oh, man, it's the Matic Bitcoin price. Can I do Matic USD? Come on, Matic USD. Oh, my goodness. Never mind. Matic's going to pump. That's all. That's all. What do you think a reasonable expectation for the entire holding at top? I was thinking like a 3x from where we are currently at. As far as I know, the entire crypto market cap is 2.5 trillion. I'm thinking a $10 trillion market cap. So that'd be a 4x. So still expecting AMP to hit at least 0.5. Yes. If I never found your TikTok, and the other TikToks probably would have bought SHIB at the peak tonight. Oh, man. There's plenty of good ones. You know, there's plenty of reliable people on TikTok. Where am I on TikTok? I'm so close to 100,000 followers on TikTok. 99,000 followers. I've been counting down the days. There's plenty of good ones. I mean, not all of the people I follow on TikTok are good in that regard, but I mean, look at these guys. Crypto Weatherman, yes. Begin Crypto, yes. Crypto Wendio, she's never going to mislead you. CVO Crypto, for sure. So anyway. Imagine what will happen when Coinbase is back. Oh, that's a good point. What's going to happen? Yeah, that's a very good point. What's going to happen when Coinbase gets back online? Are people going to dump their SHIB? Or are people going to buy SHIB? You know, they're going to FOMO. Which is safer investment right now, in your opinion, XRP or HBAR or Litecoin to hold till January? Safer, I'd say HBAR. Best possible returns, I would say Litecoin. I want to do research on my own, but I don't know what to look for in a company/coin. Start with Bitcoin, Michael. Start with Bitcoin. You know what? Here's what you got to do. CoinMarketCap.com. You see, there's the top 100 cryptos on this page right here. Let's see what's 100. Basic attention token, not a good one, in my opinion. I don't think the Brave browser is going to do anything. There's Telcoin, bullish, 1inch bullish. Ren, don't know enough. Ravencoin, don't know enough. Bitcoin Gold, trash. Perpetual Protocol, don't know enough. Synthetics, bullish. Anyway. Here's what you do. Here's how you start out if you want to do research. Go to the descriptions. What is Bitcoin? What is Ethereum? What is Cardano? What's BNB? Read these descriptions. And if you have time, start with the descriptions and then, take a look at the white papers. There's always linked to the white papers. Here's a white paper. Bitcoin's white. Oh wait, no, that's just explaining what a white paper is. Never mind. I know on Ethereum's there's a white paper that you can read. I'll just Google Bitcoin white paper. But if you read the descriptions of every crypto on CoinMarketCap.com, I think you'll have a good feel for where things are and where things are going. Or sorry, not where things are going, but like you'll have a good feel for the crypto market cap, for the crypto market, and then keep on learning. Because this is life-changing stuff right here. I'll learn to trade in the bear right now, just holding for the little I got until I can cash out at the end of the bull run. Will be first time having at least 10K in my bank account. Nice, yeah. Only Binance is capable. Appreciate that, brother. Not expecting $1 or 1 cent. Just wondering if half a penny was possible. Yeah, I still don't think half a penny. $1 trillion market cap would be 2/10 of a penny. And man, it blows my mind to even think 2/10 of a cent. That would be what 1 trillion. So 5K to invest in now and sell in January. What should I buy? I would start with top 20 cryptos. Again, let's look at the top 20 together. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, not Tether, that's a stable coin. Cardano, Solana, XRP, Polkadot, USD coin, obviously not a stable coin. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Terra Luna, Uniswap, Avalanche, Chainlink, Litecoin, Polygon, Algorand. One of those, and you know what? Maybe one of these bottom 5 here: Avalanche, Litecoin, Polygon, Algorand. Bottom 4, I should say, Chainlink. Large caps are going to pump in November. They're going to pump. So, in mid caps will pump after that, but large caps are going to pump in November. What's your thought on Dent? Yeah, I don't know about Dent, but yeah, sure, it can have a pump because I think most cryptos are going to pump in November. You and CVO Crypto make a great team. Thank you, John. We're going to go live every Tuesday at 4 p.m. Eastern time on TikTok, me and CVO Crypto. So can't even get in SHIB now, too risky, late to the party again. Yep. They're not going to shut down your TikTok. I'm not offensive. Yeah, Mick, but you know, I've been banned on TikTok. I mean, it just happened once, but you know, every video that I make, they're going to ban me. Or not, I mean, every video that I make, I get the risk of getting banned. So I'm creating new TikTok to follow you already, following you on one. All right, Amir. My Coinbase Pro is working. Oh, Coinbase Pro is working. I called Crypto Weatherman a clown and he blocked me. What a savage. Man, Crypto Weatherman gets a lot of hate. So it is what it is. I don't know the interaction with you, but like, man, when people use the clown emoji, I get really angry. It's like they use it with me, even though find something that I've missed on over the last, over the last 3-4 months, and people still will call me a clown. It's really annoying. So, something major, I've had small misses. I'm not going to lie about that. But anything major, I've just been on point, and people will still use that clown emoji, and I'm just like, come on, man, you're killing me. This asset not supported by Coinbase. What? Wow. Thank you, Boomerang. You're I love you, man. So thank you. Let's see. Coinbase says they don't support SHIBA anymore. I'm going to Google that. Maybe there's some news there. All right, let me check here. Come on, news. Give me some news. All right, so no articles yet, but I'll take a look at that when we're done. That would be insane. What a crazy ride if that's the case. Meme coins are pumping right now. Camu, Floki, ASS, Catgirl, and Foxgirl. Yeah. All right, Adam Walsh, did you check out the SHIBA holder wallets? Top holder 77 to 221, all split wallets, same about 150 of them at 20 million each. One big holder split it all, very dangerous. I did not. I will, but I mean, you told me all the information I need to know. Yeah, that's kind of sketchy. I don't know what to think about that. Coinbase say they don't support SHIBA no more. Yeah, let's see. I mean, wild. I would trade more now, leverage long shorts, but CVO says not the time now and better to accrue in the bear and apply strategies then. Did he say that? I mean, CVO, hey, I'm going to swerve for a second. Look at Bitcoin is moving up and SHIB is moving down. That's exactly why I was afraid when SHIB got up to 0.000088, because you could see SHIB was pumping like crazy and everything else was just like the life was getting sucked out of it. So good. But as far as JM, your comment, I'm more of a trader now than I am a holder because I'm planning on selling, 65% of my crypto by the end. It's just one of those things. I would be a trader right now. Voyager 2, so it's not available on Voyager? That's pretty wild. Let's see. I'm going to try to buy on Voyager. All right, SHIB, it's loading slowly, so maybe not. Got to learn what all those terms actually mean and do. Oh, yeah. All right, there's a good point, JM. Would you take a 20K loss in stock, put that money into crypto? I'm 60% in crypto now. If you're 60% in crypto, I would say just stay, not financial advice, stay 60%. Yeah, SHIB's not loading on Voyager for me. What's your uni prediction? Maybe $100. I haven't really thought much about uni. So Voyager sell went through. Okay, took my initial investment, let the rest rise. There we go. Short SHIB. I mean, SHIB's kind of trickling down now. Where is people's SHIB's profits going over the next few days? That's a question we need to be asking. Good question. I don't know. I would guess top 20 cryptos. So would it make sense to buy Bitcoin today, sell in December, use the profits to get Litecoin in December, or is it too late to buy Litecoin? All right, Rosie, I'll give you two different answers to that question. Litecoin peaked on the same day as Bitcoin did in 2017. I don't think that's going to happen again this time. I think Litecoin is going to peak later. I think there's major players that I think could peak the same day or before Bitcoin. My eyes are on Solana, Cardano, or Luna, just because they've all pumped like crazy so far. And so that might be an okay strategy, Rosie, is to buy Bitcoin, sell it in December, and then buy some Litecoin for the rest of the run. My recommendation would actually be to buy Ethereum. I'm just thinking in terms of safety and success. Ethereum peaked 27 days after Bitcoin did in 2017 and early 2018. And then earlier this year in May, so Bitcoin peaked on April 14th, I think it was. And then Ethereum peaked 27 days later. So it's like, Bitcoin will peak first, and then maybe Ethereum will do something similar where it'll peak 27 days later, give or take a few days. So bought AVEX at $35, still doing well. Okay, good. Petrick, you're welcome for all of my infos. Thank you so much. Oh, wow. Okay. Either way, the info you gave on SHIB for my question seems like it can be applied when looking for new cryptos to buy. Yes. Smoke Sun. Yes. Yep. Follow up to 5K to invest now. I already have a lot of top 20 coins. What mid to low cap gem to invest 5K in and sell in January? VRA, Telcoin, Zilliqa. How about those three? Yeah. Nice question, Aaron Dem. If Coinbase is locked up, my SHIBA, STG. I'm not STG. I'm not hip, so I don't know what that means. But follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. I don't know why I use that as a transition. So, but follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. SHIBA wallet gone. Oh man, got to figure this out. Block the haters. Don't give them any attention. I'm a social media manager for athletes and always see hateful comments. Oh man. Yeah, Josue, I wouldn't be surprised if you saw it. Those athletes, man, I feel I get a little bit about how difficult it is to be. I am nowhere. I'm like 1/1,000,000th of the craziness that those people experience, but I see it because like every video I make, every tweet I make, every comment I make, I get hate. And it sucks because it's like I'll get, one person who thinks that they're the only person who's ever said anything hateful to me and whatever. So Bitcoin's about to touch 60K. We'll see. I hope so. Coinbase is telling me that I got to use the Coinbase wallet. Okay. All right. Bitcoin's getting ready to run. I hope so. Get out of Coinbase, switch to Voyager, switch to Binance. Hey, what's up, Jorans? Coinbase is single-handedly making it go down by limiting us buying power. Shades of GameStop earlier this year. Wow, Coinbase is saying it's not supported. Oh my goodness. Yeah, man, that makes me tempted to sell even more of my SHIB. I'm not going to, but I remember what happened in January. I was all in on GameStop earlier this year. And let's see. And I wish, what am I thinking? I wish that I sold it all, when Robinhood prevented us from buying GameStop, but I didn't. But I still made a ton of money on GameStop. But I think he means if you're just learning to trade, you could make costly mistakes. So better just get sure. Yeah. All right. CVO. I understand CVO's advice, and I'm with him on that. Yeah. Same thing happened to GME on Robinhood. Just talking about that. Yep. Give stop loss for Cardano. I wouldn't do that. Crypto going down by 20% is like, that's what I call Tuesday. So what kind of a stop loss are you going to do? 20%, 30%? I've noticed that the market always seems to drop a little at night. Is this true? I have not noticed that. No, I don't know. Cardano made me so bad. I held it for a whole year and waited and for all their failed launches, sold for more ETH. I'll check on them next cycle. That's a good bear market buy. I mean, if you bought Cardano in the bear market, you would have 100x'd. So thank you, JM. When do you think the peak for Litecoin will be? January. Trying to make quick money. I already have around 20 Litecoin, 12 ETH, and 10 various coins. Is that good? I think that's good. Yeah. Sell all of your Litecoin at the end. All of it. Any thoughts about Glitch? GLCH? I don't know anything about it. What are some good ETH-based coins to look into? All right. Ethereum tokens. We got Link, Matic, FTM, Axie Infinity, FTT, Uniswap, Crypto.com. I'm trying to think. I mean, I'm going to suggest something, and you're going to look at the chart, and you're going to think, why would I buy this? But I'm looking for things that are about to pump, not things that already did pump. Like I would recommend FTM, but they've pumped like crazy. So I'm leaning towards Crypto.com. Do you hold most of your crypto in Voyager? Like 25% of my crypto is in Voyager. I'm on 10 different platforms. So, blood. Bitcoin, ETH rising as people can't sell them to buy more SHIB. Oh, that might be true. It's funny, but it might be true. Sorry for using SHIB to get that education, but that man's got to do what a man's got to do. Yes, sir. Was just able to sell my SHIB. What's the best alt I should move it into now? Again, top 20. So what did I say? CoinMarketCap.com. I'd look at the bottom of the top 20 for best short-term gains. One of the bottom 5 in the top 20. Avalanche, Chainlink, Litecoin, Polygon, and Algorand. One of those. Maybe, no, you know what? Cosmos. I've been hearing some rumblings about Cosmos. I think Cosmos is going to pump like crazy soon. So that's my choice, Cosmos. What are your thoughts on XRP timeline for the breakout? That's a tough one. XRP has been struggling a lot lately. Frontier? Is that a cryptocurrency? You're not talking about Frontier Airlines, are you? I just, what's Frontier? Frontier.xyz, okay. Front. Predictions for Cosmos. Listen, I bought at $6 and predicted $100. It seems much more likely to me that that Cosmos is going to go higher than $100. So, yeah, crypto. So, yeah, XRP breakout. Probably just at the very end, honestly. I think just at the very end, XRP is going to pump like crazy. So, January. SHIB's still going down. SHIB's going down, but so, Bitcoin looked like it was about to pump, maybe get back past 60,000, and now it's back down under 59. So 5K left. More Litecoin for the best short term. Something, one of those, Cosmos. But yeah, I'd say Litecoin too. True Bit Protocol, nothing. EOS prediction. I don't know, man. CVO crypto has convinced me that that EOS will go back to its all-time high. Frontier's got to do something. So 2020, early 2021. Man, it hasn't done anything since peaking in February. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it at least got back to its peak. What's its market cap? What's its rank? Frontier, 490. So yeah, definitely a small market cap. $72 million market cap. In general, market caps under 9 figures, it's like, yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if there was a lot of room for those to pump at the very end. Can Bitcoin go down to 57,500? It could. I don't think so, but it could. SHIB's going down. I still can't sell on Coinbase. Yeah. Take profits often. Let this be a lesson to take profits often. Not that you didn't know that, but all right, what's your VXV price prediction? Still 100. Thanks, sir. Very much agree with that. Looking at the previous run, keep it up. Thank you. Thank you. All right. I love Crypto Weatherman. I love him too. You know, for those of you who don't know, I mean, Crypto Weatherman got his start on TikTok because he hopped onto my live streams, and I was like, dude, you sound very smart. You should start your own crypto channel. And he was like, okay, I'll start my own crypto channel. And he did. And now he's got more of a following than I do. And no complaints on my part. He's a good friend, you know. And we've never met in person, and yet I call him a good friend. I mean, I really do believe that. So, do you know anything about Near Protocol? I don't know. Man, see, like Frontier, I didn't even know if you know, he was talking about Frontier Airlines or Frontier Crypto. It's like, this is number 496 and 490 in market cap. It's like, could you imagine my day where I have all these people asking me about all these cryptos. Like, I can't keep up with all of them. I wish I could. And I'm sure Near is much bigger than Frontier because I've at least heard of Near Protocol. So let's see where Near Protocol is. And by the way, DJS, thank you so much. I've only been around for about 6 months and you're the best. Thank you. Really appreciate that. I'm going to hop off this live stream in a few minutes, and I'm actually going to go live on TikTok. Since I abandoned that TikTok chat, this has gotten pretty overwhelming, and it's only going to get more overwhelming as time goes by. So it's just too stressful to be live on TikTok and on YouTube at the same time. Come on, why? I don't know why CoinMarketCap's going so slowly. All right, Kellyanne loves Crypto Weatherman. Yeah, I like Crypto Weatherman. Let's try Coinbase.com or CoinGecko. Yeah, I shouldn't have even clicked on Coinbase. CoinGecko. All right, Near. I want to know where it is in market cap. $6 billion market cap. So definitely that's, 36. Yeah. 36. That might be a good one to get into for November. Let's see the 5-year chart. Oh, all right. All right. Wow, it launched in 2020. See, I don't know anything about this, but this chart looks great. You said to sell when things get overwhelming. Did I use the word overwhelming, BB? I mean, the number for my live streams was 100,000. No, sorry, not 100,000. 1,000 people on my live streams. We got up to 600 today. So, but there's plenty of other signs for when you should sell. Focusing on YouTube channel growth is probably a good idea. Anyway, yeah. Do you think SHIB will run hard once it goes Robinhood? Will Shiba Inu actually go on Robinhood? I know I've heard rumors, but yeah, Cardano is going to pump when other cryptos, when other coins do. Yeah. What did I do? Shiba Inco. Robbing. I typed in robbing hood. It's like a Freudian slip. Yeah, I don't know. All right, I'm going to finish with GPS, the Traveling Poet, and then be done with this live stream on YouTube. So hope XRP stays $1 till January. Sell everything I hold and blow it all on XRP for the lawsuit ending in 5x gain. Maybe that's what's going to happen. I hope so. I'm patient with my XRP. So, all right. I am done. Thank you all for your time. Much love to you all. I'm going to take a little break and then hop on over to TikTok. World War Bitcoin NFT. I'm too old. Sorry. I'm old. I'm an old man. I'm 40, almost 40. I don't know how to do that stuff. And I'm too lazy to look into it. So thank you, JM. You have a great day. Coinbase just crashed. Yep, I know. All right. Thank you all. Peace.